So I've got an exciting delivery today from Cult Pens. This is something that I ordered a couple of months ago, and although I'm going to open it now, I'm not going to open it now, and you'll see why in a minute. Ooh. Oh, it's a little sweetie, and this time it's a Christmas one. So, oh, I don't remember ordering this. Luxury gift wrap. Oh, maybe I got a free gift. Ordering early. I have no idea. But thank you, Cult Pens. Let's have a look at this bit first. Oh, wow. It's almost hand drawn. These are lovely quality. A bit like watercolour paper. Look at that gorgeousness. Oh, and there's another one. Very Zentangly pattern. Oh my goodness, this paper is just gorgeous. So there's this one. I'm guessing this must be a free gift. I'll have to check my emails because I definitely don't remember ordering this. Oh, look. Oh, they're quite easy to do. Might be something to try for my Christmas cards this year. I can't tell you how thick this paper is. Look. Lovely. Swedish looking gnomes with silver. Thank you, Cult Pens. So this is what I actually ordered, and this is the, oh yes, beautiful. This is the third year I mean, that I have ordered this. It is the Diamine Inkvent Calendar. Look at how gorgeous that is. So the first year that I got one, it was red, I think. Last year it was green, and this year it is purple. No spoilers though, I am not going to open it, but this is what you get. You get 25 different fountain pen inks, one for each day of Advent, and they're new ink colours, so they've not been released before, and you get 24 12mm bottles, which are little ones, and one 30mm, which is a bigger one. And all I can say is they are lovely inks. Last year there was a mix of shimmer and sheen, and some that even smell very nice, scented inks. So what I usually do with this is that I open one day at a time, do a little swatch of the inks and do a little painting. And if you look back, you will find a playlist from last year of all the paintings and swatching from last year. So excited. Now I have to put it back in the brown box and hide it from myself so I'm not tempted. Bye.